You know how Americans build aqueducts? It's very strange how Americans build aqueducts. They don't use excavators or leak pressure machines. Instead, they put a metal hammer on it and pipe out a canal. What's the principle behind this? Actually, this is a new type of leak suppressor with a removable 60-volt battery power supply. You just need to place it in the ditch dug in advance. Press the switch and rotate it forward along the ditch. A worker is in charge of injecting cement in front of it. When the metal hammer passes, relying on its own gravity, it presses the cement flat. Its pressing process rotates and kneads. It keeps the particles of the cement layer undamaged and embedded. The metal hammer is designed to be large in the middle and small at both ends, so it could mold the canal into a trapezoidal shape. A canal can be repaired in just tens of minutes. The quality of the canal it repairs is very good. It won't crack in a drought and heavy rain can't wash it away. This new type of leak pressure machine is the first in the United States. It's made of steel, and the metal is sprayed with magnetic plates. The quality is just right. In addition to repairing canals, it can also build roads. Different types of metal hammers are used for this. To build roads, a cylindrical drum is usually used. Only cement needs to be injected, spanning a width of 900 million to 67/100ths of a meter. A machine drives over it and repairs the road. Look at the road it builds, straight and smooth. Usually canal repairs depend on labor, digging trenches, laying cement and smoothing the road. It's very troublesome to work, but the metal hammer can do all these in one step. One machine takes the place of a construction team, freeing up the workers' hands. The canals it repairs can drain in the rain and irrigate in a drought. It's good for agricultural development and also saves costs. Just by building a 336-meter long canal, it could return the investment. When will we operate such machines? I have a bold idea. Large areas of desert are in the northwest. The water shortage here is very serious. If we use a metal hammer to repair the canal, drive all the way down the canal, realize diversions from east to west, won't that help control